want to win, you got to go all in, okay? What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my 2025 game plan. I'm going to be giving you guys 5 tips to win in 2025. Tip number 1 is to set clear and concise goals. A lot of people have this vision and this mindset that they want to be successful, but they don't have a clear vision or a clear and concise plan to achieve that purpose or to achieve the goals that they want in life. In 2025 is to create smaller, more attainable goals and develop a daily routine to achieve those goals each day. So creating a goal and actually having a plan is so important, because how are you going to be successful? It's good enough to be like, okay, I want to be successful in life, but how are you going to actually be successful if you don't have a vision and have an actual plan laid out to achieve that goal? So having a clear and concise plan is tip number 1. It's step number 1 to achieving anything in life. You have to have a clear vision. You have to have an exact point of where you want to go. Know exactly what you want, know exactly where you want to go, and how you're going to achieve that plan and that goal. Tip number 2 is to prioritize your health and fitness. How are you going to build a brand or a legacy if you're not allowed to live it and experience it? A lot of people, they don't take care of their mental and their physical health, and taking care of their fitness, taking care of all these things are so important in order for you to continue to win. You have to be able to eat healthy, take care of your body, take care of your mind, go to therapy if you need to, whatever you need to do. Stop smoking, stop drinking, cut out the addiction, stop vaping, stop smoking so much weed, and actually develop a plan to help your body and your mind actually win in life. Like, this is so crucial, guys, because how are you going to actually create a plan and have a vision and be successful in your life when you sit around smoking, vaping, drinking all day, doing the things that are taking you away from your purpose and from your vision that you actually want to achieve? If you want to achieve success, it's all in your daily routine, guys. Like, you have to create a daily routine that is going to allow you to win in life. And in order to achieve these things, you have to have a clear mind and have your body working physically, mentally. Like, if your brain is all foggy because you've been smoking or drinking, waking up feeling groggy, like, it's disgusting. And a lot of people are like, oh, I can just smoke in moderation. Moderation is a lie, guys. Moderation ain't real, okay? Like, moderation is not a thing. It's a lie. If you want to win, you got to go all in, okay? Drink water, do things that are going to benefit your body and your mind, and just take care of yourself, guys. If you want to achieve goals in life, it starts by taking care of yourself. You can't win and be successful if you don't even care about yourself. Tip number 3 is to eliminate distractions and fix your focus. Stop comparing yourself to others, stay off social media, and limit your time or edit your time with toxic people and social interactions. Stop watching so much TV, stop scrolling on mindless scrolling all day long, and surround yourself with people who keep you accountable and who motivate you. This is so important, guys. The sum of the top 5 people you spend your most time with. And if it's hard for you to cut off certain people in your life, or family or friendships, maybe you've grown up with these people, you love them a lot, edit that relationship. You don't necessarily have to cut them off completely, but eliminate the amount of time that you're spending with them, because you are too busy focusing on your goals and trying to build a business and build a brand for yourself and create success in your life, that you do not have the time to be wasting around with mindless gossip, mindless conversations, and small talk, plain and simple. You need to get your focused on you and focused on what you want to achieve. So eliminate your distractions, fix your focus. The Bible teaches us to set our mind on things above and not on things of this earth. Like, we need to set our mind on what our purpose and our plan is that God wants us to live, and not just focusing on minuscule things that do not serve us. We need to focus on things that are serving us, focusing our mind on things above and not on this earthly things. Tip number 4 is to develop self-discipline. I should have made this tip number 1, because honestly, discipline is so crucial and so important. You don't even know. Like, guys, discipline is everything. A lot of people ask me, how do you stay so motivated? Guys, I'm not. It's impossible to stay motivated. stay motivated. I discipline myself. I do the hard shit when nobody else wants to do it. I force myself to do things. I force myself to go to the gym. Like, I don't feel like it working out every single day. I love working out now because I've developed a relationship with health and fitness that took me years to develop that relationship. It took me a lot of time dragging myself to the gym on days when I didn't feel like it, even on days when I'm on my period, or when I feel sick, or when I don't feel motivated, when I'm feeling down, when I'm depressed, whatever. I drag myself to go to the gym because I've developed self-discipline, guys. You have to do the hard stuff and stop trying to find the easy way out. A lot of people are looking for the easy way. If you want to develop discipline, you got to do the hard shit. Like, you got to say no to certain things when you want to say yeah. Like, if you want to go and get a cheeseburger, you're trying to lose weight, but you are going to McDonald's. Practice discipline. Tell yourself no. Okay? Tell yourself no, plain and simple. When you want to quit addictions, when you feel like you want to go to the beer store, or when you feel like you want to go to smoke a joint, you have to discipline yourself and tell yourself no. It's not easy, guys. It's not like I'm super motivated and I have a special key to winning in life. I don't. I discipline myself to make it easier. So you have to do the hard stuff now to live a life that you want to have later. Discipline to me is like, I've always thought of discipline like building a muscle. And at first, when you go to the gym, like, if you think about it like this is an analogy of what I think of discipline. When you first start going to the gym and you start working out, like, you're lifting small weights, and it might be hard at first. Like, you're building those muscles, and it's gonna be hard. And discipline is a lot like building the muscle. The more you work it, the stronger and easier it becomes. Like, the stronger you become and the easier it becomes to continue to discipline yourself and continue to do it. The first couple times, girl, I'm gonna tell you straight up, the first couple times it's not easy, but you have to like kill your flesh. Like, you have to kill yourself to discipline yourself. Like, I don't mean kill yourself physically, but you know what I'm trying to say. You have to kill the things that you desire in order to win in long term. It is what it is. It doesn't get any easier than that. You have to do the hard stuff, guys. A lot of people just want to find the easy way out, but you got to do the hard stuff, and it will become a lot easier as you work on it, as you develop that muscle, as you keep disciplining yourself. It becomes a lot easier, and then you just have self-discipline, and it's no longer a temptation for you, or it's no longer hard for you to do those things, because it just becomes your second nature the more you work on it. Tip number 5 is take responsibility for your own life, okay? Stop making excuses and stop blaming others for your life. Start living. It's no one's fault but your own. I'm gonna tell you straight up, girl. Like, if you are in a situation today, it's your fault. Okay, stop blaming your mom, stop blaming your sister, stop blaming your brother, stop blaming your grandfather. You are the only reason why your life is the way it is today. And there's a lot of peace in that, but then there's a lot of self-reflection in that, taking responsibility for yourself. But you gotta do it in order to take control of your life. If you continue to sit there and blame everyone for your life, you are gonna be like 50 years old and still sitting there blaming everyone else for your own mistakes. Do what you gotta do to work on yourself and to become the person that you need to be for yourself. Heal yourself. Go to therapy if you need to. Read books. Whatever trauma it is that you have in life that you need to work through it so you can become the greatest version of yourself. And taking responsibility is key, guys. Like, I know. Okay, I'm the first one. I know that it's hard sometimes because you've been through a lot of situations in life. We all have trauma. There's not one person in this world that can't say that they haven't experienced some type of trauma, whether it be their mom left their dad, divorce, abuse, sexual abuse, physical, mental, emotional. We've all been through it, girl. Like, we've all been through it. But you need to come to a point in your life where you take responsibility and say, I don't give a shit what happened to me. I don't give a shit what they did. I'm gonna boss up and take control of my life and be the person that God wants me to be. I am here today. I'm gonna win in life and I'm going to take responsibility and live my own life. Girl, you have to do that in order to win in 2025. In order to win in life, you gotta take these steps. Taking responsibility, guys. You gotta do it. Stop blaming everyone else. Stop blaming your ex-boyfriend. Stop blaming your cousins. Stop blaming your baby daddy, because it ain't anyone else's fault but your own. All right? For all my tips, guys, I hope this video was inspirational and motivational to you. I know I ramble a lot and it's kind of hard, but I'm working on it. Okay, it takes, like, I'm building a muscle here. Okay, like, I'm working on it, my public speaking, and trying to encourage and support you guys. But I hope that you guys find this video helpful. I hope that you guys are motivated from this video, and I hope that 2025 is your year of breakthrough. I hope that you win in 2025, achieve your goals, and become successful, become the woman that God has created you to be. And I just wish and hope the best for all you guys, and I'm praying that, you know, whoever is watching this video can learn from it, can inspire others. And it's all about maximizing your potential so you can be the woman that you need to be for the world. It's all about maximizing your potential so you can succeed and impact the world around you. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so freaking much, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye, guys.